That's okay. You can wear anything and everything to a rainbow puddle hop.
That's right. I wore my best boots.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Uncle Chester!
Bedhead, Lunette, Granny, Molly. Oh, Snickle Fritz. Figured the best puddles and the best hopping would be right here in Granny's garden. Am I on time?
Oh, you bet you are. Okay, every clown and bunny and duck and cat, get ready. A rainbow could happen any second. No cheating.
When will a rainbow happen?
Oh, Lunette, a watched puddle never rainbows.
Huh?
Clear your mind. Move all the clouds aside. Oh, yeah.
It's kind of hard to do when you're waiting for a rainbow. And I can't wait!
Maybe this will help. Special delivery for Lunette the Clown.
Hey!
Oh, I didn't have time to pop it in the mail.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Oh, thanks! Gee, I wonder what it could be. Oh, boy. And, well, what is it?
Steel wall.
Steel wool?
I thought a handy-dandy little clown like you could use that to knit a patch for the hole in the roof. You do know how to knit, don't you?
Oh, well, I'm sort of learning. Almost. Soon.
Get started, Lunetka. You knit, and Snick and I will climb up on the roof and do the patching job.
Right. Oh, I guess it's time I did learn how to knit. No point putting it off anymore. Because you never know when it's going to rain.
Or rainbow. Look!
Time for the Over the Rainbow Puddle Hop.
Oh, it's gone. Our rainbow.
You gotta catch them while you can, Lunette.
Not easy to do, but we did it.
Yes, we did. Well done. That's what clowns do. Oh, yeah.
What do you mean, Uncle Chester? What do clowns do?
To be a real clown, you must pay attention. You have to capture each moment of the day that can have some fun before it's gone, like rainbows.
That's the law.
Oh, right.
And speaking of gone, I better hop along. A clown courier's job is never done.
Ow.
And besides, I want to jump in some of those big puddles on the way back to Clown Town.
Bye, baby. Be hopping. Well, Molly and I are going to head back to the couch. I have some knitting to practice.
I'll walk you to the gate.
Bye-bye, Lunette.
Bye, Granny. Bye, Snick. Bye, Uncle Chester. I'm really glad you came to the Rainbow Puddle Hop.
Best one yet. Oh, yeah.
In through the front door, then loop around the back, slide it up and over, and there hops Jack. Look, Molly, I'm getting it. Look at what I accomplished today. Huh. I've learned something new. Oh, and you'd like to learn something new too, huh? Well, is it time for doll school? Alrighty, let's go. Molly goes to school now. Huh. Come on. Today at doll school, Molly, that keen dolly, is going to learn her alphabet with a little musical accompaniment by moi, Lunette the Clown. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Zowie! Molly, you did it! Oh, what a doll! Molly, Molly, are you ever smart? That's it for today, but we'll come back again another day. Want to? Doll dismissed. Come on, let's get back to the couch. There we go. Well, you'll be reading all by yourself pretty soon, Molly. I bet. But right now, I'm going to read a story to you, okay? Goody! Now, of course, we need our glasses and the storybook. And now we need... Oh, Molly, would you please turn on the lamp? Thank you. It's important to have good light when you're reading, also when you're looking at the pictures. Now, let's see. Today's story is called Clowning in the Rain. Once upon a time, I think it was a Wednesday, there was a little clown in Clowntown named Puddles. Puddles got his name because he loved rainy days, and he was the clown who sold umbrellas for rainy days on the streets of Clowntown. Well, Puddles tried to sell umbrellas, but it wasn't easy because it hardly ever rained in Clowntown, and no clown ever thought about planning for a rainy day. Not while that clown's sun was up in the sky. But Puddles tried his very best. Some clowns didn't even believe a rainy day would ever come. The sun always shines in Clowntown, Puddles. I won't ever need an umbrella. Thanks anyway. Poor little Puddles got discouraged. He didn't even sell one umbrella all day long. A little bunny was bouncing by and noticed how sad he was. The bunny sat beside him so he wouldn't feel so sad and lonely. The bunny made Puddles feel better. He decided to show the bunny all his best umbrella tricks to make the bunny laugh. His best trick was turning a rain umbrella into a sun umbrella. All the clowns of Clowntown wanted to see it and have one of their very own for sunny day fun, and maybe for rainy days, if one ever really happened. The clowns of Clowntown loved their sun umbrellas. They even did tricks with them. Puddles was very happy, so was the little bunny. And so were all the clowns, until they heard a very strange sound. What could it be? Puddles knew. That sound was thunder, and that meant just one thing. Rain! It was raining in Clowntown! Puddles danced a dance of joy. All the clowns needed an umbrella now. Lucky Puddles sold all his umbrellas. Well, almost all. The end. Wasn't that a nice story? There was even a bunny in it. Oh, looks like somebody I know is all hopped out. Well, ready for a nap? Yep! Me too! Wait a second. Hey! Who made this big mess? Me? Oh well, I guess I better clean it up. Later! Just kidding! I can't put it off. I better hop right to it. So get ready for the 10-second tidy. Ready, set, go! There, I did it. And I'm glad I did it. It was fun. Hey, Molly, did you know that to be a real clown, you have to grab those moments of each day that can be full of fun before they're gone? Well, today's almost gone, and I just want to grab you. Thanks for coming over. Hope you come back soon. Toodles! Molly, did you hear something? Me neither. Well, I'll think about it tomorrow. And the clown jumped over the moon.